Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. Before we begin, let us take a moment to appreciate the opportunity given to us by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, which has allowed us to complete the presentation successfully. We would also like to express our sincere appreciation to our respected lecturer, Madam Nur Hayati binti Maknoor, for her guidance, support, and available knowledge throughout this course. Today, we are pleased to present our project number 1 for Fundamental Financial Accounting and Reporting in code ACC407. The title of our presentation is a Business Accounting Overview of a Gula Gula Bakery. Let's introduce our group. For this project, we selected Gula Gula Bakery, a small business that many of us can easily relate, especially to students. Gula Gula Bakery operates as a partnership business and is located at number 4, Pusat Kegiatan Pelajar Kolej Dahlia UiTM Puncak Alam, Jeram, Kuala Selangor, Selangor. The business began at an initial capital of RM5,000 Malaysia and currently employ 5 workers, including 4 part-time students, making it a business closely connected to the student community. Let's move to a business activities. Business characteristic. What is that? Gula Gula Bakery operates under a partnership structure. The partnership involves Nurul Ain binti Muhammad Hidayat and Yatinah binti Haji Hassan. Both partners contribute capital based on mutual agreement. Any profit or loss generated by the business is shared according to a partnership agreement. This business also maintains a simple accounting record, carries partnership agreement. This business also maintains a simple accounting record, carries unlimited liability and an official register with a Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia SSM in 2023. Now, let's us move to make it easier to understand, and we think of a business asset is took at the non-current assets. What is that? Let me explain to you guys. A non-current asset are assets that support the business into the long term and are not meant to be sold to customers. In a Gula Gula Bakery, this includes the display refrigerator, cheese chiller, which play a crucial role in preserving food quality and ensuring products remain fresh and safe from consumption. Make it easier to understand, and we think of a business asset as everything that a bakery owns to help turns effort into income from the equipment used to bake products to sell them to the customer every day. Let's see the current asset that we got in a Gula Gula Bakery. Now, you guys can see the current asset that we are listing in the slide, which directly contribute to a daily sale. These include breads, cakes, brownies, donuts, waffles, and soft cookies. They are also sell a variety of flavors ice cream, drinks, and they also provide the customers sausage buns and a chicken floss.
Aside from that, the business also pay an estimate deposit of 10,000 ringgit Malaysia for one outlet and 1,200 ringgit Malaysia for the monthly rental. Next, revenue refer to the income generated by the business from its activities. It is the inflow of money that supports growth and sustainability. For Gula Gula Bakery, revenue comes from investment and subsidiary operation, which include Muslimah Catering and Gula Gula Bakery. This diversified income structure helps ensure financial stability of the business. Next is recording process. There are 2 types that the business use to record their business transaction, which is manual and online. For manual recording, It involved keeping track of transactions using physical documents such as manual receipt, cash book or ledger book, and handwritten records. This method is commonly used by small business because it is simple, clear, and easy to understand. One of the main strengths of manual recording is that it doesn't require internet, making it cost-effective and reliable in any situation. Additionally, it helps improve attention to detail and ensure that physical documents are easy to trace and verify when needed. Next is online recording. Online recording involves using digital platforms to manage payments and financial records. It includes online payments for utility bills such as electricity, water, and Wi-Fi, as well as online salary transfer through banks like Maybank and Bank Rakyat. E-receipts are automatically generated and all transactions are recorded in the online banking history, making it easy to track and verify. The strength of online recording includes speed, security, and convenience. Records are updated immediately, saving time and eliminating the need for manual cash handling. It also provides easy access to payment tracking through bank statement and offers global accessibility via cloud storage. Aside from strength, there are also weaknesses for both the manual system and the online system. For the manual system, the main challenge include being time-consuming because it requires manual writing and calculation. It also carries a high risk of human error such as miswriting or miscalculation. It is also difficult to trace or retrieve our records, and physical documents can be lost, damaged, or misplaced. Manual systems require a storage space like files and cabinets, and the auditing can become hard if the records are not well organized. Additionally, it is not suitable for large or high-volume transactions and updates are slow, meaning it cannot provide real-time information.
Next, we move on to site visit. The purpose of the site visit was to verify the existence and condition of the company's non-current asset, specifically the machinery and equipment. As you can see in the slide, we have two pictures. For shop building, the owner have to pay for the shop rental and utility bills, while there are cakes and drinks inside the refrigerator known as current asset. In the next slide, we have waffle maker, mixing bowls, spatula, and the equipment for waffle making. All this equipment is expensed through electric bills. Other than that, microwave oven used by customer for heat their own food is included in account documents. When we go to the site visit, we have this wall fan that known as non-current asset that was well maintained to prevent harm to the health of customer due to dirty dust. The business also have those bread and cookies known as current asset that looks appealing to customer and ready to eat. The business also use table, tray and table mat for displaying the cookies and breads. In this slide, the business using table mat and transparent display tray to display the donut. Also, they use price tagging to inform the customer the price of the donut.
Today, I will briefly explain the remaining items for Gula Gula Bakery. The non-current assets include wooden display case tables, such freezers, transparent display trays, and tables with table mats and product tagging equipment. The current assets, which are inventories items, include brownies, ice cream, donut paper bags, and chicken flour spread. This consists of electric bills and employees' salaries. The business also has a bank account as an asset to support online payment method. Gula Gula Bakery also holds important certificates and license, including the business registration certificate, food handling training certificates, and a business license from Majlis Pembandaran Kuala Selangor. So the conclusion, we have seen how Gula Gula Bakery manages its capitals, assets, revenues, and expenses along with the strengths and weaknesses of its recording methods. Accounting and financing are the foundation of every business decision. Numbers are not just figures, they tell the story of a business.